Hi guys, let's make the best French fries and not those frozen kind with all different chemicals on them. They're so easy. In the air fryer, not all the grease to fry them or take forever to bake them. When I get these in the air fryer, see how I cut that so it doesn't roll? I leave a little bit of skin on. I think they taste so much better. But when they were in the air fryer, I only had them in for 13 minutes. Now my air fryer was set at 390. I don't know what yours can be, but midway through, I sprayed a little bit of, oops, I sprayed a little bit of avocado or vegetable oil on them. You can make these as thick or as thin as you want. Now I'm gonna rinse them. I didn't rinse them first. I put them in wet, in fact. Turned it on 390, and then I'll season them with a little garlic salt or regular salt. Serve them with ketchup for our humble little roast pork, red pepper, broccoli, cheese sauce dinner.